Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change your keyboard while using Snapchat. Whether you want to switch to different language, emoji board or a font custom keyboard, I got you covered. Let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat app, make sure that you have already logged in. Then you could see chat or a chat icon on the bottom line, tap on it. Then tap on any contacts you want. Now your keyboard will pop up. Look for keyboard setting icon or a globe icon on your keyboard. Press and hold it. Here you could see several options for a keyboard. I have design keyboard, face emoji keyboard and bottle keyboard. I will select design keyboard. Ta-da! Your new keyboard is enabled and now you have a very beautiful keyboard on your Snapchat. That's how we change keyboard on Snapchat. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.